Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas, and today I'm reviewing the FeelWorld FM8 microphone. This was sent to me for free, however that will not bias my opinion in any way, shape, or form. I actually was going to decline this review because I'm not usually a big fan of $30 microphones, because all of them that I've tried in the past have sounded like kind of doo-doo, and I haven't been a fan of them, so it's not really worth it. But he was insistent on how good this guy sounded, so I got one to try it out, and I'm really glad that I did because it completely blew my expectations away. So, without further ado, let's get nerdy. Inside here, you've got your pop filter, you've got your mic stand, you've got an extra one in case one breaks, you have multiple cords, so this is going to be the one for your cell phone. You're also going to want to make sure that you're paying attention. This is the one that actually goes into the microphone. This is the one that goes into your cell phone itself. It's the 4-pole, so make sure that you don't get that incorrect. This one's for the camera itself. You don't have to worry about which pole it is because they're both the same. This allows you to take apart this actual thing and put it on shock mount, and then you have your instruction manual. Inside the carrying case, which is a nice kind of leather carrying case, which I was also not expecting at this price point, you have a giant wind muff, and then it comes with the microphone itself, which is bigger than I was expecting. It's actually kind of the perfect size for a microphone that's kind of like this size, in my opinion. This entire outside is made out of metal, which I really like, and then some branding of it saying FeelWorld, and then the video microphone FM8, as you can see, and then made in China. If you're trying to put the shock mount in there, just simply stuff that guy in and bam, you're good to go. You're not going to get any wind sound. Sorry, I wasn't sure where my camera was at. And then you've got your normal pop filter, which is the one that I use most of the time. And then you have your little thing that pops on to the side right there, and you're good to go for your shock mount. The other thing that I was impressed about, this is made out of metal. So since I'm going to be plugging this into my camera, I'm going to use this end to plug into the back of this guy. And I'm going to use the other guy to plug into my camera, and then I've got my rail slide right there that I slide that into. Just simply tighten that down. Mic is all set on your camera. I think you guys are going to be really, really impressed with the sound. This guy doesn't actually need to be powered on because it's so small and light that the camera powers it. So hello, you can actually see my face now, and this is me using the FM8 microphone, and I think you might be really surprised that my vocals actually have a lot of warmth, and it has good texture, and it just sounds really, really full and good. It doesn't sound robotic or metallic or anything like that, which is what I was expecting. I also like that I don't really have any peaking of if I'm talking really loud or really low. It stays a pretty consistent volume through the whole entire thing. And I really was extremely, extremely impressed with this guy. Overall, I really like the build quality. I like the case that it comes in. I like that it's very easy to set up. You don't have to worry about turning it on or off. It doesn't require any battery, so you don't need to charge it. You literally it's a plug and play device, and you get excellent, excellent sound. I also like that it's lightweight, just hangs off the side of your camera. And if you've got a big camera, then it's even going to make less of a difference because it's not going to take up a whole lot of room. So just since we're here and it's a microphone test, let me actually read some of the specs on the box just so you know some more things about this guy. So it is compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, and consumer camcorders to capture crystal clear directional sound for video, which is accurate. The compact size and lightweight directional microphone is also accurate. As I said, it's very lightweight. I don't even feel it on my camera. It has an all-metal microphone body, giving it a high level of RF rejection, which is also true. I don't notice anything when I'm actually in the editing booth. I don't see the low-end sound for this guy, pretty much non-existent. There is no battery required, as I just mentioned, and to provide a more natural sound when recording indoors, it does an excellent job. Obviously, I'm indoors right now, and you can judge for yourself on how good or how bad it sounds. Deluxe furry windshield included, designed for use in outdoor scenarios where wind and environmental noise can inhibit recordings, which is something that I can't believe that this thing is huge. It's the size of my actual camera, guys. Like, seriously impressive on how nice. This is probably the nicest, like, rabbit foot or whatever you want to call this guy that I've ever actually used, and it came in the cheapest microphone I've ever gotten. The camera shoe mount features a shock mount, most effective at minimizing unwanted vibrations and handling in cable-borne noise, which I also noticed it does a really good job on. I don't notice any microphonics for the cable itself, and the cable itself, with it being wrapped up, allows you to have a lot of room if you so please. So there we go. That is, I think, all you need to know about this particular microphone. I think I've talked long enough for you to decide if this is a good or a bad thing. I definitely, like I said, I'm very impressed when I'm going to actually shoot videos on my camera itself. This is the microphone that I go to shoot for, even though I have other microphones. This one's the easiest, and I found that this one also sounds the best. I do have an Amazon's Associates link in the description below if you are interested in using it to help support this channel, if you decide to pick this guy up. If you don't want to use that link, you don't have to. It's up to you. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like. If you didn't like this review, leave a dislike. And of course, if you've been following my content for a while, do hit that subscribe button, and I will see you, Joe Bluefield Face, on the next one. God bless, and peace out.